Hello students, welcome to English lecture. Today we shall be starting the rest part of the story, a true story of sea turtles. This chapter was going on and some of the paragraph of this chapter we had completed in last lecture. So we will be completing the rest paragraph of this lesson, a true story of sea turtle, which is written by Bhau Kaddare and who is the founder of Sahyadri Nisargamitra, which was originated in 1992, and he is the member of Maharashtra Advisory Board. So till here we had completed. Let's begin the stanza. Let's begin the paragraph. After the success at Vilas, we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtles' nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. So here, after the success of Belas, as you know, they started a campaign in Ratnagiri. So they started implementing. It was increasing. They were encouraging the project at other places also. Within 5 years, the entire coastline means Sahyadri coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. So they found that protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. So they searched that there were 80 places where the protection was in need. So our strategy was to engage those people who had far been involved in stealing the eggs, and then to train and enroll them in the work of protection. So what they thought that the person those were stealing the turtles or the next or the eggs of the turtles, they engaged that people only, and they took that people only to do this work. So we started the Turtle Friend Awards, Kasumitra, to encourage more people to be part of protection campaign. So to encourage the this work protection of the turtles, they started Turtle Friend Award, that is called Kasumitra, a comprehensive booklet. To provide something with the or a comprehensive, that is to complete, you can say the complete folder. Booklet means the folder, and a short film on the protection of the turtle was prepared to spread the message. So they spreaded the message through the complete booklet as well as the short film. In the year 2006 saw the beginning of the novel concept, and they started. It was 2006 when they saw the beginning of novel concept, that is Turtle Festival or Kasau Mahotsava, an opportunity for tourists to witness the unique spectacles of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. So they started also the Turtle Festival, Mahotsava, and it was an opportunity. It was an you can say best time for tourists to witness the unique spectacles. जो वो miracle था, जो वो amazing those the scene was of the hatchling, means a tiny turtles rushing out to the sea. It was a good scenery. It was a pleasant scenery. For that they started festival. So a short film on turtle and natural beauty of Konkan were additional feature of the festival. और उसमें और भी चार चाँद लगा दिया जब उन लोग ने छोटा सा फिल्म जो है शुरू किया, जो कोंकण जो उसके फीचर्स को और भी स्प्रेड करते थे. At the same times we were quite firm on one issue, but writer here was knowing very well that it may create an issue, that the hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. And that means due to the tourist activities that the peoples were attracting through the tourist to watch the hatchling, but the tiny turtles would not even slightest, मतलब थोड़ा भी उनको harm नहीं होना चाहिए, उनको थोड़ा भी problem नहीं होना चाहिए. So tourists were accommodated in the home of the villagers. So accommodated मतलब होता है कि to provide something with the place or the work or food and all that. So tourist को जो है ना उनके घर में ही, villagers के घर में ही रखने के लिए, रहने के लिए बोला गया, और उनको सारे मतलब फूड, रहना, सब ये सब प्रोवाइड किया गया. द रिस्पॉन्स टू दिस नॉवल concept of homestay was excellent, and and what they kept the name of this novel, that was Homestay, and it was amazing. The Turtle Friend Club was established in each village, and the members of being all the villagers offering homestay. और यहाँ पर एक क्लब शुरू किया गया इन अ विलेज ऑल्सो, इन विलेज ओनली, एंड द मेंबर बीइंग ऑल द विलेजर्स ऑफरिंग होम स्टे. और सारे विलेज के जो मेंबर थे वो होम स्टे का जो एकोमोडेशन है वो ऑफ़र करते थे लोगों को, जो टूरिस्ट वहाँ पर आते थे. और विलेजेस वुड नाउ ऑफर द सेम रेट फॉर द होम स्टे. और वहाँ पर होम स्टे के लिए अलग अलग रेट नहीं था, बल्कि एक ही रेट सबसे वो टूरिस्ट से लेते थे. दे गिव 10% ऑफ देयर इनकम फ्रॉम होम स्टे फॉर द टर्टल प्रोटेक्शन फंड. और जो उनका खर्चा होता था उसमें से, होम स्टे के लिए जो करते थे उसमें से जो खर्चा होता था, उसमें से होम स्टे का खर्चा निकाल करके जो भी बचता था 10% उसमें से वो टर्टल प्रोटेक्शन फंड के लिए देते थे. द फंड वुड बी यूटिलाइज फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ द प्रोटेक्शन एंड द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ टर्टल्स. और वो जो फंड था, इट वाज यूज फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन एंड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ द turtles. Modern technology also helped the festival reach all corners of the world through the medium of internet and our website. And they also were using the modern technology, which was very helpful for them for reaching all corners of the world through the medium of this facility. So people around the world began to contact the small villages. So through the medium of internet, people started contact to these amazing places to see the spectacles of the turtles of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and number of homestay families went up to 35. So slowly by slowly they started they were taking the interest in doing the homestay, and the families increased up to the 35 likewise. So as many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. So during the season of turtle hatchling, the people started increasing, and it increased up to 800. So this means more business for the villagers. Now it creates business. It was the pleasant opportunity for the villagers. They were earning a lot with that. So now they realized that the tourism can be a source of income. Now the very small villagers and very illiterate persons come to know that tourism is a source of income. So tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, and it was important to protect the turtles hatchling. So for that sake they were protecting the turtles and to earn the money. This was conservation of nature through the livelihood in its true sense. So side by side they were earning a lot, so they were caring and conserving the turtles. So obviously it was the conservation of nature through the livelihood in the true sense. Velas become the project main success story. Now each and every one was saying we're telling the story of Bilas, and it becomes the project's main success story. Sahyadri Nisargamitra, our organization believe, the writer is sharing that Sahyadri Nisargamitra, our organization believe that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. Yes, because local people can observe the situation, the scenario of the turtles during all seasons. So as he's sharing his experience that villagers are those who can ultimately finally offer excellent protection. They can protect the turtles can protect only by the local people or the local species. So if they are given the freedom to do that, but they should have the knowledge about that and freedom about that, the conservation projects became sustainable. So it will be obviously continue. सस्टेनेबल मीन्स होता है कंजर्वेशन प्रोजेक्ट्स का ये जो काम रहेगा वो कंटिन्यू रहेगा. सस्टेनेबल मीन्स कंटिन्यू. with this belief with this trust, with this belief, we interested. So we gave that they gave the project to the forest department, the gram panchayat, the villagers and their turtle friends club. So they offered that work to the forest department and the gram panchayat, the villagers and their turtle friends club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. So obviously they were trained up to that time, so they were handling this work very wonderfully, very beautifully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So so this campaign or this club was very excellent in handling the project which was running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. And they sometimes meanwhile they want also necessary help, so meanwhile they share, they give them necessary help. भाऊ कादारे सह्याद्री निसर्ग मित्र. So I hope you understand. I hope you understood this lesson till here. Now complete your notebook.